Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another Urban Master experiment. So today's project, we're going to review and install this new set of lights from LX Lights. Check them out. In this video I won't be focusing on how to remove the grill and remove the lights. I have other videos, I'll link them in the description on actually detailed tutorials on how to do that. And for now, I'm going to install them real quick. And now with the grill off, all you got is 4 T15 screws. And the bracket is off. I already have my headlights pre-wired for the halos and the turn signals. There is a link to the video in the description. So all I gotta do now is change the light itself. Check them out, real nice. Let's get them installed. They do feel real solid. It's a quality thing. The connection is real nice. When I was wiring my old lights, I kept the color, the wires the same. So red goes to red, green goes to green. All right, let's see how we did. Turn it on. All right, so I guess the polarity is opposite. My running lights were actually turn signals. So let's swap them. Let's see if this works. All right, much better. Actually, it's much more crystal comparing to the other ones I have. Still really good, but yeah, this is like just brand new and nice. Let's see the turn signals. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to install it and then we'll try the high and low beams. All right, seems really solid. Let's see if it works. Yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, but we'll do this so we can see the blinker as well. The bottom one. That's a high beam. And that's the blinker. Alright, so this is how they look. I'm probably not gonna install the second one on the video. The installation is exactly the same. For all the detailed steps of like the wiring and everything, I'll have a video where I wired my old lights, so you'll see how it's exactly done. And that's it for now. If you like this video, share it with your friends, like and subscribe. Take it easy, guys.